Effective ways to improve employee well-being. In today's business environment, employee well-being has become a focal point for HR professionals and business owners. Prioritizing the health and happiness of your workforce is not just a moral obligation. It's a strategic advantage that can lead to increased productivity, higher morale, and lower turnover rates. We'll cover effective ways to improve employee well-being so that you can make your workplace a thriving hub of positivity and productivity. Create a supportive culture. A supportive organizational culture is crucial for employee well-being. Promote team-building activities, diversity, and inclusivity to cultivate an environment where employees feel valued, respected, and included. Encourage open communication and create a sense of belonging for everyone. Enhance employee satisfaction by welcoming feedback and conducting regular check-ins to address concerns and ideas. Managers should lead with empathy and understanding. Ensure transparency and foster security and engagement by informing employees about company goals and changes. Prioritize work-life balance. Work-life balance is crucial for employee well-being. Providing healthy work schedules and environments, whether through remote work or flexible hours, helps employees effectively juggle professional and personal responsibilities, increasing job satisfaction and reducing stress. Clear communication of expectations is vital, allowing employees to understand their tasks and manage them efficiently. Encourage employees to take breaks and time off to recharge. Promoting a healthy work-life balance goes beyond policies. It's about fostering a culture where taking time for oneself is something to celebrate. Avoid micromanaging and trust your team's ability to deliver results without constant oversight. Offer professional development and training. Investing in employees' professional growth boosts morale and job satisfaction. Implement training programs that align with company goals and individual career aspirations. Employees with more direct access to advancement are more likely to feel motivated and engaged. Organize workshops and seminars to enhance skills relevant to your industry, as continuous learning benefits employees and the organization. Promote physical and mental health. Integrating wellness programs into the workplace supports employee well-being and demonstrates a commitment to their health. Consider offering access to fitness classes, mental health support, in-office massages, or gym memberships. These initiatives promote physical health and create an open dialogue about mental health, encouraging employees to speak up without fear of judgment or stigma. Implement these strategies. Today, employee well-being is essential for a thriving workplace, which involves a supportive culture and prioritizes work-life balance, professional development, and health. Implement these strategies today to boost your team's motivation and productivity.